Today we are making momos or dimsums, whatever you want to call it. So we have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and now we'll be mixing water in it to make dough from it. Out of the dough, and now we're gonna try for the fillings for the momos or the dimsums. We've got finely chopped onions, cabbage, carrots, ginger, mixed in with some oil and salt to taste. And here we have I'll show you one more. You can use anything else for a filling. If you like chicken, you can go ahead and mince chicken with this, and you can put chicken as well. I'll show you another shape that you can make your dim sum momos in. So again, just put the filling in and we'll keep rotating and folding. This time we'll only fold half of it, and the other half we will just stick it on the other side with our 2 fingers. As you can see here, that's all you need to do for this one. Again, like I said, you're using vegetarian or vegetables for the filling. You can use chicken or any other meat as you like it. Just one more time. There you go. There, it's ready. Putting the momos or dimsums, whatever you want to call it, in the idli maker. So we put them in, and put them second one in as well. There we have it. Put a lid on it, and now let's steam it for 10 minutes. These momos are made of whole wheat, so you can either use whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour to make momos and dimsums. To make dim sum sauce, we need some boiled tomatoes, so we'll just put that in the hand blender. We've taken 3, we'll start with 2, and we need some coriander and green chilies. So we'll just put all of them in a jar, and salt to taste.